It's gonna be awesome, this one. We haven't been here in years and years. We are on a little expedition, a very little micro expedition of the National Reserve, which is part of the National Nature Reserve, and part of the River Gade, which runs through this park. It's going to be awesome. I'm really excited. Like I said, the last time we were here was some time ago, so this is going to be fun. Let's go on an adventure. So for those who don't recognize the place, we are in Cassiobury Park. Beautiful parkland with a local nature reserve, as well as the River Gade that runs through the nature reserve. It's absolutely amazing. It's absolutely local for many people, but look around me. It's a great little adventure place. Look at the size of this tree. Oh, there we are. Look at that. This place is beautiful, but the trouble with it is, at the moment, it's half term, holidays for the school kids. And not only are there loads of people here, which is cool, which is what this is all about, get people out and about. There's loads of people here, but it's breaking the momentum of the hike. So the momentum is being broken simply because we're standing and chatting around quite a bit. You know, outdoors people are very social, and you will engage a lot, but it's just I've just started and I'm thinking, hey, I need to be hiking more and less talking. So as we stroll along the River Gade, I've noticed, probably because of not much rain recently, but it's quite shallow, which is really nice because the kids, if you've got a young family, the dogs can take a dip in there on a summer's day. It can be absolutely amazing. It is very shallow. I'm going to turn this around so you can see how shallow it is. Can you see the rocks, the little pebbles in the water? The whole section is pretty much like this, so it's great for the whole family, really. This is absolutely stunning. A bit of an impromptu hike because I got loads of work on at the moment and I had to sort out a few things at work. But I thought, must get out, get some fresh air and enjoy the wilderness for a bit before going back and doing more work. Work is always going to be there. You got to remember that. Work is always going to be there. And so if you get a moment, a couple of hours, and you can get out into nature and enjoy it and make it your time, then you should. You should do it and absolutely enjoy it as much as you can. So I've just come upon a information board here, and it's about the cottage that was sited here, the Swiss cottage. It's called the Swiss Cottage. This is a site of one of the many smaller buildings built in the early 1800s, when the 5th Earl of Essex started extensive refurbishments to Cassiobury House and Park. It's quite royal out here, and tells you how old it is, especially when realizing 5th Earl of Essex, early 1800s. Oh, it's fantastic. And there's some pictures here from 1867, and then after it was refurbished, and how it looks in 1920. It's quite astonishing, the amount of history in every one of these woodlands, nature parks, nature reserves, parkland, the forests. The amount of history behind it. People have been here working the woodlands, hiking them, cycling them, biking them, and not realizing, I'm sure, not realizing how much history there is behind it. This behind you is very special. It's in front of me. It's absolutely glorious. So take a look. Look at this. Mackie, you're in the way. Look at the size of this tree. It's huge! Oh! you don't often see trees that size, and when you do, you have to cherish them and cherish the moment and spend a couple of minutes with that tree. Oh, it's not often you see trees that size. That was probably, I would say, 300 plus, 400 plus years old. I don't think Mac's ever been down a canal. And this is nice for Mackie. Wow. Mac's first time along a canal. I've been plenty. Yes, Mackie, he's loving it. He's loving it. It's really awesome. There's some sections of the nature reserve where there's nobody there at all, which is quite nice actually. It's very peaceful. But yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Like I said, a short little break for me away from work. A bit of hiking, a bit of me time, and then get back to work. Oh, I think this might be the perfect spot to stop. Well done, Mackie, for finding a perfect spot to have a little break. Well done, buddy. So we were going to stop here. Mac found the spot. And I thought we could stop here and have a little break. And then I find all this rubbish in front of me. There's a packet of chocolates there, chocolate wrapper, a juice packet, a Coke can, more chocolate wrappers. Absolutely disgusting. I mean, guys, if you ever go out into the wilderness, you ever go out into nature, take your stuff back with you. Leave no trace that you've actually been there. Leave no trace that you've ever been there. And this goes for everyone. This is absolutely ridiculous. It's outrageous. And I can tell you from experience that this is not adults in most cases. This is a group of teenagers probably chilling around, having a little session here with the chocolate and can of Coke and all that, and then they don't want to take it back with them, and so they do this. Please, please, please teach your children to not litter and take their rubbish with them, whether you're in a city, in nature, in the woodlands, in a forest, by a river, by a lake, by a main road. Take your rubbish back with you and put it in a bin. Or if you can't find a bin, take it home. But leave no trace that you've been there. It really cheeses me off, this. I don't like it. So I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna pick the stuff up, put it in my bag, and find another spot to sit and relax. You want a treat here? Good boy. Sit down. Here you go. Good boy. Sorry about the rant, but had to do it. I hate seeing stuff being littered around. So once again, parents, families, please, please, please encourage your kids to not only encourage but teach them to take their rubbish home with them and leave no trace where they've been. It's only fair for the others who hike the same trails. It's only fair. Hello, puppy. Are you coming? Come on. Come on. Out of the water. There you go. You can see how shallow the River Gade is, and this is for most parts of the river. Good boy. Hello, Maggie. Hello, puppy. Yeah, keep going. Let's keep moving. So you can see how amazing this place would be in the summertime, and with the river so shallow, the kids can swim in it, dip their feet in. The dogs can run around in the water. It's really nice. Well, there you go, guys. This is the Cassiobury Park Nature Reserve with the Gade River running through it. Bring your family here, bring your bikes here, bring your dogs here. They're absolutely going to love it. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, then please go ahead and comment down below and say, yes, I've enjoyed, or no, I haven't enjoyed. At the same time, go ahead and subscribe right there or right here. And don't forget to like my video right there. Not that way, but that way. Make sure you like it, and I will see you out and about.